nearby town आते हैं start किया सेल करना दूध 90 रुपीस पर केजी दी अकॉर्डिंग
They have only the dairy cow feed pellet.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं पुनीत और आज आपको दिखाता हूं पशुपालन में अगर आप अच्छा काम करते हो तो क्या रिजल्ट मिलता है उसका। आज अपने डेयरी फार्म पे एक ऐसे डॉक्टर आ रहे हैं जो यूएसए की कंपनी में काम करते हैं। वैसे बेसिकली वो थाईलैंड से है और उनसे जानते हैं अपने फार्म पे क्यों आए हैं, क्या उनको अच्छा लगा है और मिलवाते हैं पूरी टीम से। अपने भाई के डेयरी फार्म पे एक बाहर से डॉक्टर की टीम आई है स्पेशल विजिट के लिए और जानते हैं उनसे उनके फार्म पे ही क्यों आए हैं। सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम इन इंडिया।
Yes,
फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू कमिंग?
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand. We want to know why you visit this farm and what you feel about this farm.
Okay, good question. Because in Thailand we don't have the milking buffalo like this.
Murrah
Okay?
buffalo, you
No,
don't have.
no,
Okay.
not much. So that's why I interesting to see the real here.
Yeah.
And by my friend, he suggested me to visit this farm. Okay, and when I saw this farm, I'm really very attractive. Because first thing they have the fan. They do the cooling fan for the buffalo.
कूलिंग फैन भाई जो अपने बहुत सारे फार्म पे नहीं होते
Yeah.
हैं और थोड़ी बहुत अगर किसी को सब टाइटल लगा देंगे अपने कोई दिक्कत मत में।
That means he is the owner. He pay attention in the buffalo comfort,
या
right? First thing, very important. And another thing is genetic. This farm has a very elite genetic of the buffalo.
या
Milk production is something 30, 35, something. He said 20 to 30.
2020
That is very, very good.
High in
buffalo.
Murrah
High,
buffalo.
higher.
yes.
I had no idea before that.
Have you visited any other farms like you visit HF farm Manifold?
Not today. It's my first day here.
फर्स्ट है
Yes.
मुर्रा बुफेलो का।
Yeah.
यस सर, मुर्रा सर जेनेटिक में इतना तगड़ा है, इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग है जो हमारे हरियाणा में ओनली इन हरियाणा मुर्रा बुफेलो।
Okay.
There is no any Murrah buffalo in India.
Okay.
Only we are
Only
having.
in Haryana here.
Yes.
Oh, that means I come to the right farm, the right place.
Yes,
To
sir.
see the right cow,
Yes,
right
sir.
buffalo. I mean.
Do you like it, Murrah?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Actually,
120.
it varies
Yeah.
in cities or villages. It is village area, so it's there is 65. If we sell same milk in the city, it will be 90 or 100.
If we have
Urban
carry
space
the milk to the chin,
Urban, yes.
we can sell something like
Yes.
100.
The higher will be the price.
No, वहीं पे बिल्कुल वो लोकेशन है
चिलिंग करके बेचना
नो
उससे तो काउंटर बना लो ना, एक काउंटर बना के उससे सेल
बना लेगा
वो चिलिंग करना तो अच्छी होगा। डॉक्टर साहब ने नियर टाउन आते हैं स्टार्ट किया सेल करना दूध 90 रुपीस पर केजी दी अकॉर्डिंग।
For the buffalo, any issue of ketosis or mastitis?
नो
No. I mean, after calving 2 or 3 weeks, the buffalo refuse to eat or eat less something. His appetite. Less.
काविंग ऑल गुड
ਕਾਵਿੰਗ ਸਮੂਥ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ
Smooth.
ਕਾਵਿੰਗ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਇਸ਼ੂ
What
ਨਹੀਂ।
about retail percent? Retail percent?
नो नॉट लाइक
फीडिंग
not available.
Not
Only
available.
the pellets for dairy, they have to depend on the same pellets.
I
Dairy
know.
cow. That's why they go
I
with
see.
the
I see. Because they have only the dairy cow feed pellet. They don't have for buffalo.
Yeah.
But he wants something especially for
Exclusive,
buffalo.
high protein.
That's why I told you because in our feed mill in Maharashtra now we produce the cattle feed 23, 24, 27 something like that percent protein. But our customer asked for why don't you do separate? They don't like us. This bag have buffalo and cow together. They need separate. Something like that.
Exclusive buffalo.
Exclusive.
For dairy buffalo
But
farmer.
for his buffalo is very exclusive.
Yes,
That's not.
exclusive.
I mean very special.
Different animal altogether.
Because it's a high genetic.
More fat in milk. So you need more fat.
5%, right?
70
7 to 8.
7.8 रहता है. 7.8.
Huh?
7.8.
Because my customer in Maharashtra, he said about 6.5 or 7 for fat, but here is a higher fat than that.
Genetic is different. Maharashtra buffalo is different. This is comparatively different, and they give good fodder. Green fodder, dry fodder is good. Maharashtra, they don't give wheat straw.
No be straw. But they have alfalfa sometimes.
Alfalfa and sugarcane tough.
Sugarcane and green fodder.
Here they grow exclusive grass.
Have you tried corn silage for the buffalo?
Yeah.
Corn silage.
Yeah.
It's okay. Good.
You see this grass?
ये सर थे भाई अपने जो आए हुए थे बाहर से, और ये साथ में टीम है अपने भाई को, ये भाई पंजाब से हैं, ये भाई पीडीएस से हैं, और साथ में हाई कर दो।
Okay. Good.
Yeah.